All right, guys, so we are here at Mount Woodson with our opening tee shot. I'm lucky enough to be teaching Ted Hardy, one of my longtime students. And so, Ted, let's kind of go over what we're going to do today, some of the things we're going to look at and go from there. So the first thing I want to know is just kind of what your goals are for today and what you're looking to do.
Well, just general, my patterns on the course.
Sure.
Every time I play, I don't always reflect what I've been doing during the week.
Sure.
In practice.
Sure.
I tend to get certain patterns, so I just wanted you to be here when I play to see
Sure.
what I do on the course with every club in my bag.
Sure, that sounds good. Now with this hole here, right, this is kind of a tricky starting off hole because it's very tight, I would say given your age bracket, I mean, you tend to hit the ball much further than everybody else. So with this hole here, we kind of have a very narrow landing area. The shot that we're looking to hit is probably around 200 yards. Everything on this tee shot will funnel from left to right. So we want to make sure that we're hitting it on that left side. Now, predominantly, you've been in the center anyways, hitting a ball that starts a little bit closer to the center line or a little right and then curving. So this should be a pretty stock shot for you, right? Is there anything that you see differently on the shot?
No, and again, my pattern when I play, when I hit poor shots,
Yeah.
I tend to pull them.
Okay.
Or at least pull my irons and my shorter clubs, and sometimes with my driver I do tend to, I don't release it, I kind of fade it, but
Yeah.
I do tend to pull my shots, so maybe that'll help.
Yeah, for sure. So let's go ahead, I'm going to have you tee it up here real quick, and we'll have a look. Now the last thing I want to tell you before this is, again, with that ball flight that we've been seeing at Golf Tech, I think the best line for you would be